Tenteng kini kecing mundur sing ilam baklago i kam kicai bro. Tenai ta cenya yang plie cenya aginong ilam. Kamai kecing kayong i, you to yang kecing stad yang kurang kecing am kam kayong i.
For me, my personal views, I would like to thank the JCMDA for taking this initiative to call for a public rally regarding the coal issue that we have faced in East Jaintia Hills. From time to time we have discussed about this, and we have seen that our people are looking forward that the light of the day will come, where the government has give us the assurance, and then we have seen the government also try the best to speed up the matters regarding with this. So it's good to see that today, the 7th of April, that the people has come out to show that they are united regarding these issues, where each and every one of them, those who have witnessed and then take part in this rally, and some who could not come, it doesn't mean that they are not with us or with the to support the JCMDA. Actually, those who are not there also, they are a part and parcel of it. Each and every one of them, though they are at home or wherever they are, all of them, they pray that we come into a solution where we will get back our rights, and then we can have back the livelihood of the people, as we have relied on coal. So I believe that with this initiative, it will be I cannot say it's a starting. It has been started from the beginning. Since 2014 we have started this initiative, but in between it just keep quiet. So now it's a high time for us to start it back, and then hopefully that the government will do the needful and then will give us back our rights. We will never want to do anything illegal. It's just that we want the government and the department concerned to do the needful and then give us the SOP so that we can follow what needs to be done. And at the same time, all this blessing which God has been showered upon us, the limestone, the coal, and many others, all this meant for us. If we do not utilize it, what's the use of us having all this? So I believe that since we have the resources to boost the economy of the state, to contribute to the economy, it is a high time for the government also to look forward and then give us the SOP to be followed.